Hey guys, so you must have seen people create tiny planet photos using their GoPros or 360-degree cameras. Now I don't have those gadgets and I'm not even planning to buy them yet. But I still created this photo and this. So today's tutorial, we'll walk you over how we can create these photos without using those expensive gadgets. Let's get started. Now I use PixArt for these. The first thing that you'll have to note when you are using creating these tiny planet photos is that you need to have a landscape picture which incorporates all the elements of nature, because then it will come to be a good it will turn out to be a good photo. So I'll go to my camera and choose some picture which has both the elements, like this one's good. It has greenery, it has really sick of these ads. So this picture is perfect for a tiny planet photo. It has the sky, it has greenery, it has the buildings. So all at least 3 elements are covered, which is good. I don't have an ocean near me, so that's fine. I'll now you need to go to the effects section and there's a tiny planet section. See that? Now you can play around with it, like you can zoom in a bit if you want, but I want to show that sky section because it's giving it a beautiful look. So I want to make this, but it will be too much. This is perfect, I think. Now shift, meaning that this rotation you can shift it slightly, yes, like this. So I don't want it to be a spiral, I just want it to be a circle. So I'll make it back. So blur means that you can blur the edges. I don't want these clear edges, I want them to be blurred. Yes, like this. So I'll keep it at 50. Of rotation means where do you want. So it's anything is okay with me. Like this looks more like a guitar. I want it to look like this. This is fine. Now what you can do is, so there's one more thing that you can do. So this is my original image. Let's get back to it. Now one thing you can do is you can have a reverse effect as well. So for that you will first need to rotate the photo. You need to rotate the photo vertical, and then you need to go back to the effects and you need to create the tiny planet. Now doing this, the sky will be in the center and the other elements will be outside. So you see, like this. So this will create a spiral kind of photo for me, but for you it might create something different. It depends on your photograph. You can play around with these tools and you can. So I don't want this is looking very messy, so I don't want this. I'll discard this and I'll go back to my rotate. I'll again vertical, and then I'll create my tiny planet effect. It is so simple and it looks so beautiful. So I'll just zoom in a bit. That's it, and nothing I want to change here. That's it. So that's how you create a tiny planet without using those GoPros and 360-degree cameras. I hope you liked it. Do watch my other tutorials. Thanks. Bye bye.